In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Firefox background color. It's a quick and easy process. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing, all you have to do is to open up Firefox. Type in search menu, Firefox, the best result, go ahead, open that. And after you get Firefox open, go ahead to the menu that's located at the top right, as you can see right now. Scroll down until you find settings, click on that, and after you click on it, just make sure you scroll down in the general tab. Until you find colors, click manage colors. As you can see, you can change the background color from here or the links or the text. Click on background, and as you can see, there are so many colors you can choose from. But before you do all that, just go ahead, close the tab for now, just to make sure the settings are good. You can go ahead and check Use System Color, as you can see now. And below it, just click on Always. Now go ahead on your background color, choose any color you want. And after you choose it, just go ahead, click on OK. And then click on OK again. And now as you can see, the background is on that color. But if you want to go back to the first color you had, just click on Manage Colors again, click on Background, and then you can choose the color you had, white, click on OK, and go ahead check the Use System Colors. And on Always, you can choose Never, and that's how to change Firefox background color. And as always, thank you for watching.